Good morning, good morning, good morning to the babies at home. Make sure that you are ready and prepared and that you have a wonderful pencil. Turn off the lights for us, Malachi, and be ready. All right, this sheet is called Relate Division to Mixed Numbers because all of these are going to turn into mixed numbers, which is something I felt like y'all needed a little bit of practice on. All right, so here we go. I've got 25 divided by 4. First off, go Dr. Phil on it. 25 divided by 4 is 25 fourths. Okay, all it is, you just go Dr. Phil on it. The dividend is the numerator. The divisor is the denominator. Then what we're going to do is, this is a big, fat, nasty, big-headed fraction. Tell me what to do, Jaden. Very good. Take 25 and divide it by 4. All right, Isabella, how many 4s are in 25? 6, very good. Put your 6 right here. What is 6 times 4, Hadassah? Very good. And when you subtract, you get a 1. So watch this, Malachi. I'm going to start at the top. My whole number is 6. Then I'm going to go around the clock. Bing, bing. And that's 1/4. Y'all cool with that? Moving on to the next one. All right, Carson, 18 divided by 7. Tell me how to write it as a fraction. Go. 18 sevenths. Carson, is that a fat, nasty fraction? All right, take 18 divided by 7. I'm going to want to see this on every single problem. Sam, how many 7s are in 18? That is correct, Sam. There are 2. Excuse me, I stepped away from my paper. I got to get my coffee. Miss Ross is pumped this morning. We're ready. All right, there are 2. Sammy, what is 2 times 4? 2 times 7? Very good. 18 minus 14 is 4. So, Sam, you're going to write it as a mixed number. What is my whole number? Good. And then go around the clock. Bing, bing. 4 7s. Very good. All right. How you feeling about that, Malachi? Good. All right, you're up. Talia, 14 divided by 3. Go Dr. Phil on it. What's the fraction? How do I write 14 divided by 3 as a fraction? What's the numerator? Good. What's the denominator? 3. Good. Talia, is that a fat, nasty, big-headed fraction? Yes, it is. All right, Talia, take 14 and you're going to divide it by 3. How many 3s are in 14, baby? Very good. 4. 4 times 3 is 12, and when you subtract, you get a 2. Now, Talia, how do I write that as a mixed number? What's the whole number? 4 and bing, bing. Bing, bing. 2/3. Good. All right. You ready, Levante? All right, Levante, how do I write 19 divided by 2 as a fraction? Very good. All right, Levante, is that an improper fraction? Yes, it is. All right, so Levante, take 19 and divide it by 2. How many 2s in 19, sweetie? Very good. What's 9 times 2? 19 minus 18. Good. So how do I write that as a mixed number? What's my whole number? And very good. 9 1/2. Excellent. Cool. How you feeling? Sid, you're up. 8 divided by 5. Write it as a fraction. Good. Is that a hot, nasty, big-headed fraction? Take 8 divided by 5. How many times 5 going to 8, Sid? What's 1 times 5? Subtract. Good. So how do I write that as a mixed number, Sydney? 1 3/5. She's a genius. All right, you are up. Aaliyah, how do I write 20 divided by 6 as a fraction? Good. Aaliyah, do I need to divide that and turn it into a mixed number? Yes, I do. So take 20 and divide it by 6. All right, Aaliyah, how many 6s are in 20? Very good. 3 times 6 is 18. When you subtract, you get a 2. What's the mixed number, Aaliyah? 3 and 2 6. All right, Tinley, what do you notice about 3 and 2 6? I can simplify it. Divide the top and the bottom by 2, and it turns into 3 and 1/3. Excellent. How you feeling about this, Isabella? Good. Making more sense than yesterday, I hope. Good. I felt like yesterday y'all were all kind of like, you were getting there, but not all the way. All right, here we go. Next one, we've got 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8. How do I write that as a fraction? Adam. Very good. 24 eighths. All right, Adam, is that a big improper fraction? Take 24 divided by 8. Adam, how many eighths are in 24? Try again. 3. 3 times 8 is 24 with no remainder. So you don't have to write 3 and 0/8. You can just write 3. Okay, if there's no remainder, you don't need to mix it up. All right, Malachi, how do I write 19 divided by 4 as a fraction? Very good, 19 fourths. What do I do now, Malachi? I got to turn it into a mixed number. Divide 4 into 19. Good. All right, Malachi, how many 4s are in 19? 4. What's 4 times 4, Malachi? 16 is correct. 19 minus 16 is 3. Now, Malachi, how do I write that as a mixed number? What's my whole number? Good. And then bing, bing. 3/4. See what I did there? 4 and 3/4. You just go around the clock. Start at the top, go around the clock. All right, next one, you're up. Wyatt, how do I write 7 divided by 3 as a fraction? Very good. Tell me what that is as a mixed number. Take 7 divided by 3. How many 3's going to 7? 2 times 3? 7 minus 6? What's the mixed number? Start at the top, go around the clock. Excellent. How you feeling about this, Hadassah? Getting a little better? Good. All right, here we go. 25 divided by 8. You are up, Zayden. How do I write that as a fraction? 28/5. I like the way you said it mathematically. Very good. What do I do now? 28 divided by 5. Zayden, how many 5's in 28? 5. What's 5 times 5? And when you subtract, what do you get? Very good. So Zayden, what do I do to make that a mixed number? Yes, what is the mixed number, baby? 5 and 3/5. Thank you, Zayden. All right, here we go. All right, 3 packages of cookie dough were used to make 28 cookies. How many cookies were made from each package? Use the division sentence 28 divided by 3 to solve. So you're taking 28 cookies and you're dividing it into 3 packages. So you got 28 divided by 3. Levante, turn that into a fraction first. Good. Now what do I do, Levante? Good. Take 28 divided by 3. Levante, how many 3's are in 28? Good. 9 times 3 is 27. When you subtract, you get 1. What's my mixed number, Levante? What's my whole number? Start at the top. Good. And then bing, bing. Good, Levante. I like the way you said it mathematically. Here we go. Last one. You're up, Jaden. Jolie and Noelle are sharing 3 pretzels equally. How much does each girl get? So you've got, always highlight what you're sharing. You're sharing 3 pretzels. So you've got 3 divided between 2 girls. Tell me what to do. Jaden, how do I write that as a fraction? Through 3 halves. Very good. So now, Jaden, how do I fix this? Good. 3 divided by 2. How many 2s are in 3, Jaden? 1 times 2. When you subtract. Good. And what is my mixed number? Start at the top. And good. 1 and 1/2. Cool. Y'all happy with all this? Cool. All right. Let's see what we got on the back. Flip. All right. I am not going to have you do this section. We just did a ton of them. Cross that part out. I am going to have you come down here and do this one. 3 friends share 7 apples equally. How many apples does each friend get? All right. So what is being split up, Adam? Am I cutting apart the people or the apples? Very good. Highlight the apples. So am I going to put the 3 first or the 7? What do you think, Aaliyah? Good. Do that. 7 apples divided between 3 friends. Okay. Sammy, how do I write 7 divided by 3 as a fraction? Good. Now, what do I do, Sammy? Good. Take 7 divided by 3. Sam, how many 3s are in 7? What's 2 times 3? 7 minus 6 is? What's my mixed number, Sam? 2 and bing, bing, 1/3. Good, Sammy. All right, I want you to take all of these and write them as division sentences. I'll start the first one. 3/6 is 3 divided by 6. You do the rest. All right, Janie, 2/7 is what divided by what? Very good. Malachi, 7/9 is what divided by what? Good. All right, Levante, 5/8 is what divided by what? Five eighths is what number divided by what number? Tell me, Adam. 8. Very good. 5 divided by 8. Adam, 9/14 is what divided by what? Very good. 4/5 is what divided by what, Isabella? Very good. All right, cool. Now, we're going to pause for a few seconds. I'm going to stop this. Bye. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.